Hi there. Let's learn about web design. We're going to start by talking about some of the fundamentals. The first thing to understand is the difference between web design and web development. Web design and web development are closely related, but they focus on different parts of creating a website. When people think about building a website, they often assume it's one job. In reality, it involves different roles working together. Web design and web development overlap, but they each have distinct responsibilities. Understanding the difference helps explain how websites are planned, built, and improved. Web design focuses on how a website looks and feels. Web designers are mainly concerned with the user experience and how information is visually communicated. Their goal is to make sure users can easily understand and interact with the website. The main question that designers constantly ask is the website easy to use, visually appealing, and clear? If a site looks confusing or hard to navigate, users are likely to leave, even if it technically works perfectly. Web designers have several key responsibilities and core skills. They design the layout and page structure, choose color schemes that match branding, and select typography that's readable and appropriate. They also plan navigation menus and interface elements and make important user experience decisions. Before a website is built, designers often create wireframes and mock-ups using tools such as Figma. These act as visual blueprints for the website. To do this well, designers need strong visual design skills, including understanding contrast, hierarchy, and alignment. They also need UI and UX thinking, image optimization skills, and an understanding of user behavior and accessibility to ensure the website works for everyone. Web development focuses on how a website works. While designers plan the look and experience, developers take those designs and turn them into functional, interactive websites. They make sure buttons work, pages load correctly, and the site responds properly to user actions. The main question developers ask is, does this website function correctly across different devices and browsers? A website might look great in a design file, but without development, it won't actually work in the real world. Web developers have a different set of responsibilities and skills. They write code using languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. They implement layouts so websites work on different screen sizes, add interactivity and behavior, and test the site to find and fix bugs. Developers also focus on performance and browser compatibility, making sure the site loads quickly and works across multiple platforms. In more advanced roles, they connect websites to servers and databases. To do this, developers need strong skills in semantic HTML, CSS layout systems such as Flexbox and Grid, and JavaScript logic. Problem solving, debugging, and understanding how browsers and servers communicate are essential skills. In real-world projects, web design and web development often overlap. This is especially true in entry-level roles or small teams. One person may handle both design and development tasks. For example, layout planning is shared by both designers and developers. Designers usually handle typography decisions, wireframes, and prototypes, while developers focus on HTML structure, CSS styling, responsive behavior, and JavaScript interactivity. Because of this overlap, having basic knowledge of both areas makes someone much more effective in building websites. Here's an analogy. A simple way to think about the difference is this. Web design is like architecture and interior design. Web development is like construction or engineering. You can have a beautiful blueprint, but without development, nothing actually gets built. And you can have strong construction, but without good design, the result may be confusing or unattractive. The best websites happen when design and development work together. Throughout this course, we're going to be looking at the responsibilities of web designers and web developers. You'll also develop core skills in both of these areas. This will allow you to have a basic understanding of how websites are laid out, designed, and finally built. And then you can decide where you want to focus your energy